Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on successive differentiation. Let us solve the problem. If y is equal to 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 6, then find its nth derivative, that is yn. And therefore to obtain this, we check which standard result is applicable to find the nth derivative of this function. No one is applicable directly here. Therefore, whatever the given y is equal to 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 6. We try to find out the factors of this quadratic equation by making the factors of 6 in a such way that the product must be 6 and sum must be 5. Therefore, the factors of that 6 are 3 and 2. The product is 6 and sum of 3 and 2 is 5. And therefore, I can rewrite it as x plus 3 into x plus 2. Nothing but x square plus 5x plus 6. And here the degree of numerator term is 0. The degree of denominator term is 2. 0 less than 2 means it is proper fraction. And as it is proper fraction, making partial fraction, therefore y is equal to 1 upon x plus 3 and x plus 2. Factors are real and different, making partial fraction a upon first factor and b upon second factor, and then finding the values of this capital A and capital B by using the technique of partial fraction. And therefore we get the value of a as neglecting this term x plus 3 from this, we get 1 upon x plus 2 at x is equal to minus 3, equating this term to 0, we get x is equal to minus 3. And therefore substituting this value here, we get 1 upon minus 3 plus 2, and therefore value is minus 1. And b is equal to 1 upon, this time we neglect x plus 2, remaining is x plus 3 at x is equal to minus 2. And therefore if we substitute that value as minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 3, we get it is 1 by 1, nothing but 1. And then substituting these values of a and b here in equation 1 becomes y is equal to a is minus 1 divided by x plus 3 and b is 1 upon x plus 2. Then transferring this term to numerator, I will write down the positive term first. Therefore it is x plus 2 raised to minus 1 and minus x plus 3 raised to minus 1. And then we can determine the degree of nth derivative of this term by using the standard result. Therefore applying that standard, differentiating this y using this result as it is in the form of ax plus b raised to some minus 1. Nth derivative of x plus b raised to minus 1 as minus 1 raised to n, a raised to n factorial divided by ax plus b raised to 1 plus n. And in this two term we have a value as 1, and therefore 1 raised to n is 1. Taking nth derivative, we get yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n, a is 1 raised to n into n factorial divided by ax plus b means x plus 2 raised to 1 plus n. This is the nth derivative of the first term, and minus nth derivative of the second term. Again a is 1 here, therefore minus 1 raised to n, a raised to n, 1 raised to n, n factorial divided by x plus 3 raised to 1 plus n. and therefore we can rewrite this as yn is equal to common term we take outside. The common terms are here 1 raised to n. 1 raised to n is always 1. Therefore minus 1 raised to n we can take common. N factorial is also common. And therefore the remaining terms are 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 1 plus n and minus 1 upon x plus 3 raised to 1 plus n. We can transfer this term to numerator. We get in new form minus 1 raised to n factorial multiplied by first term is x plus 2 raised to minus of 1 plus n minus x plus 3 raised to minus of 1 plus n as the required nth derivative or the answer for that problem. Important one is here this standard result to find the nth derivative. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.